Keep the beautiful skin with this breakthrough treatment that contains Aronia berry, the highest antioxidant fruit, to maintain healthy skin function while protecting against oxidative stress. Stimulates cell regeneration, protects the skin against moisture loss, nourishes and is rich in natural-driven ingredients to preserve youthful looks. Systematic application of the cream makes the blood vessels network becomes less visible and the skin is illuminated. This product is safe and gentle enough to use every night. Dermatologically tested. It contains unique active ingredients Aronia anthocyanins. Secret recipe for your skin, iRecipe cooks up for you the best products for your body. The key ingredient to this recipe that other products do not have is Aronia Berry Extract, which is high in vitamin C and has anti-aging properties. Multiple benefits: enhances your skin barrier and gives nourishment. Deep hydration and moisturizing to the base of your skin, not just the surface. Helps repair damaged skin. Stimulates skin cell regeneration. Reduces fine lines and puffiness. Prevents moisture loss. BALM ADVANTAGE, your basic cream-based moisturizer, gel, or lotion may leave your face feeling dry after just a few hours. By making our recipe as a balm, it allows you to keep your moisture all day long if you put it on in the morning, or all night if you apply it at night. Save the grease for 70s movie night. Tired of other products that leave a greasy residue on your face? This balm absorbs cleanly into your skin without leaving your face looking not feeling oily nor greasy. Benefits of Berry Balm: it nourishes continuously to stimulate the skin cell regeneration. Firmer, more supple skin. Protects moisture loss, preserves youthful appearance and reduces fine lines and puffiness. Get more info, please click link in below description and 50% discount offer available. This product, please subscribe this channel, get update more videos.